Hey, hey. Hello. So, I am going to be talking about the curls. Passion fruit curl control paste. And I'm going to let you see the front so you can see what it's for. And the back. And why my finger look greasy is because I did apply some on my finger so you can see what it looks like. But yeah, so just did a 360 of it so you can just can see what's it made out of, what's it for, how to apply it, because like I said before, I feel like since everything is on here, I'm just gonna go ahead and show you everything on the bottom to actually kind of doing a rundown, a summary of it, just like everything written in stone here. And that's why I love showing what it all says. But I've actually been on a journey to keep my curly edges flat sometimes. Not saying that it's an issue, but sometimes you just if you want to wear a ponytail, you just want to have a sleek ponytail, or just put your hair all the way back without having curls in front. Or when you're styling baby hair, sometimes it curls up, and you want to find a product that lays it flat down, just gives that smooth look. And a lot of gels that I've used, literally my hair just curl right back up. Especially when I wear ponytails, it just doesn't do any justice. But I actually did some research, just to find how, what can I possibly do to keep my edges staying flat instead of curling up, right after an hour or two. And I actually came across this, and I saw the reviews on how a lot of people said that it kept the curls in place, or they lay down their edges really nicely, especially if you're wearing a ponytail or just any type of style where you have to tie your hair up at all. And I believe another good thing that it was an award-winning product. And it's not on here, but it had what year that it was not the most popular product. But I know they have a blueberry one, and I really want to try that one, but I've just been stuck on this. And also my mom, I actually told her about this. I was like, why don't you try this out, the passion fruit curl control paste. And at first she was skeptical too, because the same thing happens to her. Her hair is wavy, so when she applies things on, she likes that nice slick look too, especially when she wears ponytails. And her curl, it just curls right up. It's not giving that sleek look like she likes. So, but with this, she absolutely loves this. And the inside, so all that here, but the inside, you can see we've been killing it, and that's what it looked like on the inside. And like I said before, it gives you that sheen, shiny look. Like you can see on my finger right here, it gives it that shine look. And it smells really good too. I don't know, it smells kind of fruity, but it smells like a paste. It's not, I really wouldn't consider this as a gel, because for one, it's not really gooey. If anything, I mean, it's like a, hold on, because I want to make sure I want to know this. It's like a small sticky feel a little bit to it, but it gives you that nice shine. You may have to wash your hands, after you use it, in case, because you don't want to touch everything. But it has a sticky texture feel. It's not really thick. So if you use, a comb, or if you dip the comb in and try to design your style your baby hair, if you use a toothbrush or whatnot, you can easily apply it. It just kind of, if you don't clean it, or if you don't change out toothbrushes, of course it'll kind of clump up. And won't work as well. And I know they have other products like shampoo, conditioner, but I've just stuck with their control paste. And like I said before, they have a blueberry one. It costs, I think, like $1 more or whatnot, but I'm pretty sure it works the same. Sometimes with me, I use two, just because my hair is very easily to curl up, especially if I'm doing anything active. And I would do, oh well, I'll talk about that rather, but right now I'm just going to talk about this one. But yeah, it works really well, and you has good ingredients and natural ingredients in it too, which I really love. Then there's not anything harsh in it. So if you're looking for a good product, especially you curly folks out there, been suffering around the edges that be flaring back up with curls instead of giving you that sleek flat look, try this out.